step into the 2000 BMW 5 Series 528i. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are air conditioning, cruise control, alloy wheels, moonroof, power door locks, dual airbags, and automatic. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.